In this video, I will show you how to find the base.css file of your Shopify theme. This is especially important if you're looking to customize the overall styling and the layout of your store. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Then locate your active theme, in my case is Dawn version 15.2.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top left corner, click on three dots and then select Edit Code. Within the code editor, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the assets folder right here. And there should be the base.css file. Over here, in case you cannot find it, you can simply use the filter at the top, just type base.css, and it should populate. Let's click on it, and here's the file content. And before you're going to make any changes, make sure to save a backup copy of the existing code. For that, simply press Ctrl A on keyboard, it will highlight all the code, then press Ctrl C for copy, and then just simply paste the code in the text document on local computer. So in case something happens, you can always undo the changes. So as usual, I hope you found this tip helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.